Anyway, in a moment, Colin Presty will be egging us on. But first, here's Rob Brydon on his own Easter parade.
Roy, as always, not just entertaining, but educational as well. Good morning. We've come here to St Mellons, to one of the finest garden centres in the country, to find out just what makes Easter tick. Easter, of course, is a time of chocolate eggs, fluffy bunnies, and, as you just saw, parrots. You didn't know that? Let's find out what Easter means to the people here at St Mellons.
Well, Easter, to my mind, is a religious festival, celebration, crucifixion of Christ.
Is it a family time?
Oh, yes, quite a family time, yeah.
And what about Easter eggs? Why on earth do we give Easter eggs?
Well, Easter's, I suppose eggs are a new beginning.
Well, we give Easter eggs just to commemorate Easter, friendship.
Why an egg, though? Why a chocolate egg?
Not too sure.
It's supposed to be a symbol of new life, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Why chocolate?
Eh?
Why chocolate?
Well, everyone likes chocolate, don't they?
What Easter means to the people of St Mellons. Easter, of course, to a lot of people, is noshing your way through as many of these as you can get. And in an effort to woo an ever health-conscious public, the chocolate manufacturers have now come up with a totally synthetic egg. This egg, they claim, will not put any pounds on your figure. We've got Jason with us. Morning, Jason.
Good morning.
Now, what we're going to try and do is see if Jason can tell which is the real chocolate and which is the synthetic chocolate. Now, Jason, in front of me, I've got 2 Easter eggs. And I want you to see if you can tell which is the real chocolate and which is the fake. I'll just see if I can crack this one open. Right, now then. First of all, Exhibit A. You have a taste of this. See if you can tell me whether it's real chocolate or synthetic. Taste some of that. There we are. Just there. Whoop. There. Have a good taste of that now. Now then, when you've swallowed that, I'll give you the other brand. Now you'll notice a difference, I think. Try that. Now one of them, you'll notice, has a far more salty, sort of rubbery taste, I thought.
I think the first one was more sweeter. That's the original chocolate.
So you're saying the synthetic was the second?
The second one.
I think the first one was the real one. This is... Oh no, this is a real one.
A bit of indecision here. So what, set it out again. You think the first one is the...
Synthetic, and this is the real chocolate.
I think it's got to be B.
Really?
Sample B. Yes, I think so.
Tell me the difference.
Natural, more of a chocolatey taste. The quality's better.
So there we are then. The great British public of St Mellons have made their decision. They think that one half of the egg is synthetic, but I like the other half. Much more realistic. Right, that's all from here, from the lovely town of St Mellons. Do you know anything about St Mellons? Lovely town, just along the road from Newport there. I remember, a minister who lived there. Oh, so well indeed.